So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the remote jobs that you can do at night and you can do on weekends, and this is perfect for stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home dads, and anybody that's just looking to make some extra money and you don't have time during the day, but your nights are free and your weekends are free. These are also flexible jobs that you can do, so stick around because I'm sure that you're going to find something here that suits you. So the first company that we are going to talk about is Brand, and they actually hire virtual assistants and they are looking for people to complete little tasks or micro tasks. It's a great opportunity to make a little extra money. Now you're not going to get rich with this obviously, and you are actually allowed to work as little as 1 hour per month all the way up to 160 hours per month. Now a couple things to keep in mind when applying at Brand is that you do have to live in the US. You must be at least 18 years old and they do require at least 3 years of experience, some sort of admin role. Now I'm guessing if you're already working during the day, you have some admin experience that you can use to apply for this position here. And some of the tasks that they are looking for are completing phone calls, scheduling appointments, researching the best prices, finding hotels, doing data entries. So they have all kind of great opportunities for you, and they pay anywhere from $13 to $17 per hour depending on experience. And the cool thing is, working for Brand, you did actually be working as what's called an independent contractor. So you can truly have a flexible schedule with them. You can work when you want and for how long you want. So you will get paid by the hour, $13 to $17. So next up is Rev.com. Now Rev.com, they are hiring for people to do transcription work. Now this company is one that I have talked about before on my channel, and it's a great opportunity. And I have been using Rev.com for several years. So I can tell you firsthand, it's a solid company, and they're always looking for people to transcribe videos, to transcribe audio files, and they have tons of flexible work from home night positions available that you can do now to start working at Rev.com. You do have to take a basic grammar quiz and you'll have to submit a transcription sample. But what's cool is you'll have the freedom to select the jobs that you actually want to transcribe, and you can work as much or as little as you want, and you can get paid weekly via PayPal. Now transcription jobs are going to pay anywhere from 24 cents to 90 cents per audio or video minute. So for example, you did listen to an audio or a video and then you would transcribe that audio and that video, so people like me can upload those files to YouTube. And then they have also captioning service, which pays a little bit more, actually pays 45 cents to 75 cents per audio video minute. So next up is ClickWorker, and ClickWorker is always looking for independent contractor to do small tasks like testing apps, text creation, mystery shopping, photo capturing, and surveys. And it's really simple to sign up. You just go to ClickWorker and you'll sign up online, and they have flexible hours that you can do whenever you want and whenever you are available. Now obviously you have to have a computer and some sort of mobile phone with a good internet connection, but you get to work as a freelancer, but you get to work when and where you want, and again they are always hiring for people. So next up on our list is Cambly. Cambly is an online English teaching and tutoring service that connects English speakers with students who are well studying English as a second language. So in order to do Cambly, English needs to be your first language, and you need to have, of course, a laptop or desktop computer. But the cool thing is, if you are a native English speaker, you can actually do this from anywhere in the world, and you can set your own schedule. Now, depending on what you're doing on Cambly, you could make up to $10 to $20 an hour. You get paid weekly via PayPal, which is awesome. So again, if English is your first language, your native language, and you enjoy tutoring and helping others, then give them a shot. So next up is Advantis. Now Advantis is looking for people to complete delete surveys for companies who are looking for marketing and other data. It's a great opportunity to do at night and do on weekends, and they are actually looking for people to work anywhere from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. and then they also have Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now they do have training which is paid. Unfortunately, they do not specify the pay here, so you have to go and check that out to learn more. but you must have a good understanding of the English language, and you need to have an excellent customer service, and you need to be able to type at least 30 words per minute, and of course you have to have a high speed computer. And they are saying that you need some sort of headset to do this position, but a great opportunity to make a little extra money. So next up is U-Haul. Now, if you're not familiar with U-Haul, they rent trailers and trucks and moving supplies, and they are actually always looking for people to do sales, to do reservation, customer service work, and they are always looking for evening and overnight. So if you're a night owl, then check out U-Haul, and there just might be an opportunity for you. They're actually looking for people to fill some of those remote night shifts. Next up is AAA. Now AAA, if you're not familiar with, they are an automobile club or service. For example, you can understand it like if you are traveling and your car broke down, then you have a handy dandy AAA card. You can call them up and they'll send some kind of service that you might need. AAA is open 365 days a year and 24 hours a day, and they are looking for customer service representatives, member service representatives, corporate travel agents, and emergency roadside specialists. Now they have special shifts available. So again, for my true night owls, they have positions starting between 8 to 10 at night, and these are actually full-time roles. So if you are a night owl, do check them out. So next up is Apple. As we all know, Apple, we love their computers, we love their phones, and they actually have positions available in what are called at-home advisors. Now, an at-home advisor is like a customer service representative, and they actually have a remote team, and they work from 9 a.m. till 10:30 at night, and so this might be worth checking out. So next up is Social Bee. So if you love social media, if you have experience in social media, they have lots of freelancing opportunities available. Everything from helping with social media growth, social media advertising, to content writing. So depending on where your strengths are, you can review different positions, different categories that suits your experience, and then you can fill out the application with Social Bee. So next up is Smith.ai, and they hire virtual assistants all around the world, and they have tons of different shifts available. They are also open 24/7, 365 days a year. The shifts are actually broken up into 2 to 5 hours blocks. So they have obviously day shifts and night shifts and weekends available. They also have full-time roles, which comes with benefits, and the starting pay is $15 to $16 per hour. Now, in order to work at Smith.ai, you do have to have excellent oral and written communication skills. You must be an excellent typer with a speed of 40 words per minute. Now, prior customer service experience is a plus. So next up is Fiserv. Now, they are a financial transaction company, and they have remote overnight customer service roles positions now. They are only available in certain states, so you will need to go to their website and check it out, but they do have full-time night positions that come with benefits like health insurance, paid vacations, 401k, and more. Now, for these remote night shifts, you do need to have at least 1 year of customer service experience. You do need to have a good understanding of tech, and you do need to pass a criminal, drug, and credit background check. So next up is StudyPool. Now, StudyPool is a company that I have talked about before. I absolutely love these guys. They are perfect for those who are looking to work at night or on weekends. And actually, some tutors are making up to $7,500 per month. Now, in order to work as an independent contractor or freelancer at StudyPool, there's an application process. You do need to prove your expertise and your credentials in order to be a tutor. So, for example, if your experience is in math, well, you need to prove your expertise and your credentials, because students are going to studypool.com asking questions, and then you as a tutor would respond. So think of it as like a Reddit, but for students. They are going to ask questions, and they want people who are experienced to give them the answer. And this could be in math, it could be in economics, it could be in English. So check them out if you do have good experience, or you are someone who was an excellent student, then StudyPool would be the right fit for you. And then last up is Cital Group, and they are looking for customer service position and sales position, and they do have part-time and full-time positions at night, on the weekends, and they also have an overnight shift available. To work at Saddle, you need to have a high school diploma or GED. You need to be able to type at least 25 words per minute, and they also do a criminal background check. Now, if you didn't find a perfect nighttime position in this list, so don't worry at all. I got you covered. Check out my channel, and there are hundred of great opportunities there for you. I'm sure you are bound to find something that fits you and your schedule. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.